Hello dear student, this is Rajesh sir. Welcome to my YouTube channel MPC Rajesh sir. Subscribe my YouTube channel and if you have any doubt, just forward your question on given WhatsApp number. We will provide you video solution. Now we are going to discuss about some important topics. Means mathematics exam, mathematics SSC board mathematics exam. So Telangana SSC board mathematics exam, AP Telangana both. So maths 2 second year maths A, maths B means 2A, 2B. The exam will be held on 12th May 2022. So 12th May, next month 12th, mathematics A exam will held and mathematics B exam will held on 14th May. Only one day is gap, 12, one day 13 is gap, 14th exam will be here. So how much time? The time is today. Think what is the date? Roughly 12. To today the 12. Okay, 12 is the 13th. So only hardly we have the 13 today. 12th is here. So roughly 30 days, not more than. So you can assume the 25 days. Hardly you have to the 25 days to the preparation. So only 25 days. Think the 25 days. One day today it will go on. So only 25 days you have to score good in the mathematics A and mathematics B exam. Okay, is it difficult to score or is it easy to score? Yes, it is difficult to score because mathematics is the difficult subject, so it is difficult to score. But when you join to me, then it will be becomes easy. How? Especially we design a one batch. The name is special batch for mathematics 2A, 2B. Important question only. Important question only. We will discuss here only important question. So this batch is designed for only for important question. So the batch name is especially this batch especially designed for a special batch for the maths 2A, 2B. Important question only means here we will discuss only important questions. Mathematics A, mathematics B. We will discuss totally whatever we'll ask in the examination on as it is we will deliver here. So in that you will learn your video solution means I will explain each and every point. I will explain. If you have minor doubt, you can ask me. You can ask me. I will clear that doubt. Hopefully 99% you will not get doubt after listening my class because I understand the student pain. So we are clearing all the doubt. The time of explanation only each and every point we are briefly explained. So if you listen the properly my class, you will not get the doubt. 99% you will not get. Even 1% if you have doubt means you have the opportunity to ask the doubt. I will clear the doubt. What is the doubt? Doubt is the doubt. If you have any doubt, that is the doubt. This is doubt is not like the big doubt or small doubt. Doubt is the doubt. If you have doubt, you can ask the doubt. My duty to explain your doubt. Simple thing. Till your understanding. So this batch is especially designed for the only important question. Look at the important question only. So mathematics A and mathematics B. We will discuss here only important question. So how we will deliver the mathematics maths 2A and maths 2B. So maths 2A will teach MWF. MWF means Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Will teach mathematics A. Next, mathematics B will teach TTS means Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Same means alternate day. One day maths, Monday maths, Tuesday mathematics A, 2A, Monday, Tuesday, 2B. Again, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, again 2A. Means alternate day we will teach like that only. So 3 days for MWF, Monday, Wednesday, Friday will mathematics A, and 3 days alternate day like Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday will teach the mathematics B. In that we will cover the all the chapter important question only important question because time is less. So this is looks like as a crash course or whatever I will teach here totally will come in your 100% will come in your exam. Surely you will get the 100%. Surely, because already I so many years we are doing the experiment only. So my whatever I will teach, that question will compulsory in your examination hall. Because I am a teacher, I have the idea which type of question will ask the examination hall. Some question will not direct this will come, data will change, but you can also change. You can solve that question. Like in my question, data is the 5, they are kept the 4. So if you are the able to solve it, they can also you can solve. So mostly 100%, whatever I will teach here, that question only will come in examination hall. So in my also one of the student recently they got the full out of whole, means 75 by 75 marks in the recently your pre-board exam is going on. Most of the student know about that student also, because that student is your friends only. So you also maybe know about that friend how they got the 75 by 75, because he is my student and I gave the totally class. I designed his class notes is properly which type of question we will ask in the examination hall. So he got the properly that only. Whatever I taught in the class note, that question only come in your pre-board exam. So you know some of the student, the friend of that student, so they know very well how the Rajesh sir is teaching. So if you are the any student new and don't know, so just join and give me the just 25 days. I will give you the excellent result. If you will give your 25 days to me, I will give you the excellent result. So don't wait, just take the admission. Admission is going on. Admission is already started, it is going on. If you are interested to score the good means, just join and start the study. So this is the only mathematics Monday, Wednesday, Friday will take mathematics be Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. We have only 25 days. So within the 25 days, I will be explain each and every important question only. This batch is only for important. The mode of if you want to learn means how you will learn, the through the Zoom app we will give you, we will teach you through the Zoom app. In that the mode of teaching is the online mode. You can join. This is the group batch only. Yeah, all the student can join. This is the online mode. Online mode one. Another mode is the offline mode. So online mode and offline mode you can both can join. You can come out my center also offline mode and online mode also. Both will be the same. Online and offline is the same only. This is better to join the online only. Online and offline both will be same. If any student want to come in like offline means they can come here also. The address is the Dilsukh Nagar. Dilsukh Nagar you can come and join here. So we will deliver. This is the nearby the RS brother. You know well, or you can say the nearby the metro station. This is the nearby the metro station. Dilsukh Nagar metro station, very near only, hardly 200 meter from the metro stations. So if any student interested to join like offline classes, they can come our center also. Or if you are interested to know online only, so you can online also you can join. So basically the online and doubt clearance means the live class only we will clear the doubt. Especially any student has a particular doubt means we will clear that student also separate doubt. We will clear the separate doubt. So we will help you the 24/7. Think I am the friend only, like that I will help you. So don't wait, just take the admission. Just take that. And one more thing, this is our MPC Rajesh sir channel, and you can share and subscribe. You can subscribe my channel. You can like my channel. You can comment on my channel and suggest me if anything. And most important thing, you can share this channel to your friends. You can share this channel to your friends. This is the whole things we discuss about it. Just start batch already just started. We will start very soon. Like within the 2 days we will start. Think this is the date is like we plan to start the date of 15th. We are planning to start the 15th. This is the good day. So 15th April we are planning. So we are planning to start the 15th. And one more thing, we will not have the too much student. The capacity is not that much on and off and both. The limited capacity only. So and one more thing, no one is started the important batch in nearby area, and so many students are searching for the batches. So especially we design for this only code like important batch. So you can join in the group. So in the group, so many student is searching for the group batch. Mostly no one is started for the group batch. So take this admission fastly. We will very soon we will close the admission. So if you are interested, me just you can call WhatsApp on this number. Your you can WhatsApp on this number. Just you can WhatsApp on this one. I will give you reply. Better to call WhatsApp because most of the time I am the busy. So you can WhatsApp on this number. So once again I am explaining. This is Rajesh sir. This is Rajesh sir, and my channel is the MPC Rajesh sir. This name of the channel is MPC Rajesh sir. You can contact on this number 9553 979427. This is the WhatsApp number, and you can call here also. Best way the send the WhatsApp message. I will give you reply. Okay. This batch is the like second inter second year means the 12th class SSC board inter second year college student SSC board Telangana and AP Telangana. Mathematics A, Mathematics B. Mathematics A exam will held in Telangana 12th May 2022. Mathematics B will held on the 14th May 2022. So we have the hardly 25 days time. So we design our batch will be start 15th April 2022. This 2-3 within the two days will be started. This batch is especially designed for a special batch for the maths 2A 2B important question only. This batch is only for important question we will discuss here. No other than important. Only important. Whatever I will teach in this board, that question only will come in examination hall. Question will be the less. I will teach a less number of question, but that question compulsory will come in like gunshot question. So mathematics 2A 2B. How I will teach the mathematics? A will teach, 2A will teach MWM Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and mathematics B will teach at TTH Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. The alternate wise. Similarly, like Sunday is your revision time. Next is the mode of teaching is the online mode and offline mode. You can join in the online mode and offline mode. Offline you can join the Dilsukh Nagar area, like metro station nearby the metro station, 200 meter. We are there. Walking distance from the metro station. This Dilsukh metro station. And online mode we will teach in the Zoom app. If your internet is the good means you can join the online. That will be the good. And this batch fee is very economical. This is not too much because this is the group batch. We will not charge hard. So this batch fee is very less only. So just call, just WhatsApp here and talk to me. Give your 20 days time, 25 days. I will give you excellent result. Surely I will give you excellent result. Thank you. And once look at here. Yeah. I hope you will take the admissions. So if anyone is interested, take the admission fastly because I will close the admission after the 15th April. We will not take the admissions because like 15th April class will start means till 14th only will take the admission. 15th after we will not take the admission because middle of the batch we will not take the admission. Reason is that why we will not take the admission in the middle of the batch. The reason is that if they will take the middle of it will looks like disturbing the class. First class they did not learn means second class understanding problem will come. So in that case we will not take the like in between admission. Only for like 15th April we will start the batch. Take the 14th till night we will take the admission only. So thank you, and you can take the admission fastly. Okay.